Actually, the most worth buying Huawei Pura 80 Pro saw this version. I just bought Vivox X200 Ultra and thought about it. The packaging of this Ultra with a strap that will be beneficial at the back will change greatly. I will bring you the next video to open it and see the mobile phone. The recyclable packaging accessories quickly pass through a C2C line, which is completely different from the previous generation. Moreover, the charging head is very small. Take a look at 100 electrical appliances. The matte surface effect avoids fingerprints completely, and it is exposed here. The weight is clearly defined and pertains to the germplasm. This white color is definitely the best seller this time, so everyone rushes to the end of the press conference and starts it directly. I think the Pro will be as difficult to grab as it is, and it is very good looking. How about the design on the right? When you look at the front and hold the screen while waiting for the array, it tastes very good. Open it, and this row is the gold color of the Pro series. The right color also feels like this. How many points can such a good-looking person score? 10 points. It just looks at the publicity. It seems that it is more wealthy. After the actual on-site appeal, it is still relatively low-key, using Morandi's color. For the black color, it's extremely pure, merging with the clouds seamlessly. Among the three color schemes, which one do you prefer? There are only 4 versions: Standard, Pro, Plus, and Ultra. The Pro stands out. If you want a straight screen at a cheaper price, go for the Standard. Comparative discussions with Mate 70 will arise when necessary. The Pro Real Plus version addresses night scene needs. For dry wheel glass and satellite calls, choose Pro Ultra, which is comprehensive. There is also a standalone, large front gun owner for solo night scene photography. With very high demand, the price is quite high, approximately based on one hand. So will you want to buy it in the end? Welcome to leave a message before discussing. See you with Viv X Ultra. Goodbye.